Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to record WhatsApp video calls. To do this, you have just to go to your WhatsApp and go to the conversation that you want to record the video call of it, and start the video call by clicking on the camera icon on the top right of the screen. And after that, using your phone, if you are using Android or also iOS, is the same. You go to the notification bar and go to the screen recording option. Click on it, and after that you will start recording your video call. Of course, you should be sure that you are activating your call, the recording of your microphone, and also of the speaker of your phone or the internal sound of your phone. And after that you will record your video call. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video, and don't forget also, before recording any video call, to ask the other person if it's okay to record the call or not. And see you in the next video.